Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love. Welcome, guys, welcome to Akeynote Life in Jamaica. You know, I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are or anywhere you're watching from. Yes, guys, you know the journey continue. You know, it continues. So, yes, my princess is going back to the UK. You know, as you can see, it was one of those moments, you know, daddy girl moment, you know. It was one of the moments, trust me, it was heartfelt, and she's gone. So by the time you're queen, I will definitely see her back again soon, you know. So guys, please remember to give the video a like whenever you're watching, you know, and please remember to put a thumbs up. So yes, guys, so today's mission, also one of the missions for today is you remember the little boy with the heart problem that one of the nurses them from the Sunrise team, who is Auntie Pauline, yeah, who is helping out his medical care as well too, with also with the expense, you know. So today we have another scan, you know, that we're gonna get done, where Auntie Pauline sent a donation for us to go and do that, you know. So today is the day we're gonna get that done, you know. So I'm just here heading into church, but I'm gonna stop off first and do something, and then head into Churchtown, get them, and then head to the place where they're gonna get that done also, you know, as the journey, you know, continue for Cranberry and family also, you know. But it's just Baja is doing some work, you know, at the minute as well too. So for this week it's out of it, you know. So for definitely for next week we're back on it, because Baja is gonna be busy for the whole of this week, you know. So he explained. So for next week now, we'll definitely be back on it for Cranberry and family to try to finish off their project, you know, so they can have a well home ready, you know, for the whole family. So that is our journey, you know. I must say, nothing never stop, you know, everything just continue, you know. Sometimes just move from one destination until the next. So it's a beautiful day here in Jamaica, you know. The sun is out, we've been getting a lot of rain, but nothing so far right now in this morning, but I know the sun is bright, so that's what's been happening anyway, you know. The sun bright, and by the time it turn midday or so, you see place start to get dark, and then you know the rain is coming in. Yeah, but we give thanks for the blessings, you know. We give thanks, we give thanks. Hope you're having a wonderful day, guys, anywhere you are, anywhere you're watching from. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. So blessed love, peace. Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. So I'm now here in Churchtown, and waiting. But as I said, you know, we're gonna head towards up there to get old chef brother, which is Miller, his son, to get that scan done. Oh, the Apex and the Apex. You have the address? Alright, so we have the address, so I'm going to put it into the Google, and Google will take us there. So we're here with Miller and his son, you know. Alright, and we have Miller here as well too.
Yeah, morning.
So let me see the address so we can know exactly where we're going. Institute Balmore Avenue. You don't know how it's called Balmore Avenue, but you know what the name there, but you don't recall yet. So when time you're out there, right? So alright, so where we're going is the Art Foundation of Jamaica. So it's not Apex we're going. It's not. So this is the altar monitor that we're gonna do, right? Yeah, altar monitor. And so you know, Auntie Pauline, she said 28,000. Now this is 28,000 here from Auntie Pauline. you know, to do the scan to make sure say everything is going well. As she said, she wanted to make sure say she help assist in medical and know say everything is all right. You know, and this is the 28,000 that she sent. So you can check it. So it's 28.
Alright, man. Yeah.
So that's Auntie Pauline from Florida, from the Sunrise. So you can thank her as well too.
Auntie Pauline, thanks, you know. You make everything possible for him for. Tomorrow I'm gonna take him to doctor, and doctor them gonna admit for either a day or two, and them gonna check it out and see what the fullness and everything. Yeah, and I will get back to you. Thank you, Auntie Pauline, and may God bless you, and keep you.
So he's going to doctor after today. He's doing the scan today and doctor tomorrow. They're gonna admit him.
Yeah.
Oh, for a day.
Yeah, they may tell me for a day, but I don't know. That's why I said maybe it's a day or two.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they're going to do further checks?
Yeah, they might do some further checks on him and then everything there. So, yeah.
Which part they might do that? Which part?
Public. If we reach at 7 o'clock in the morning, so if we get up from 6 and we try to reach it from
7.
after 6, yeah.
Yeah. Well, all right then, so thank Auntie Pauline to helping you out.
A big shout out to Auntie Pauline. Thanks whatever you do to me. You make things good. And my father alone could do it. So I'm really glad you help you out. Thanks.
I really appreciate it. Thank you much, you know, Auntie Pauline. We thank you so much, you know, for helping out his family. As you can see, that is a trying that, you know. And also, you know, someone sent a donation towards the help out to get your the pump. You said, right?
Yeah.
So someone said a donation we can help out, you know, send something towards it. So, you know, whatever you get towards it can help out. When I get a chance to write up a donation them as yet, you know, because I'm busy with my daughter and everything. So, if I write it up now, I can come link you and then you can get the donation. You know, I'm not quite sure how much them send, but them send something. I think it was $100 them said or something, you know, to help out towards your pump, you know. Are you still working towards it, right?
Yeah, man. Still working towards it and everything.
Yes. So at least you have someone that consider, you know, and sister, well, you want to try. You know, because as we are saying, you don't always want to depend on something to come in. You want to make sure so you do something to help out
with anything and you know, say yeah for when and me have something I don't know saying yeah, I can assist him more better and them look thing there. So with the little help for me I get and them look thing there. So you see, I'm a thanks to Auntie Pauline and all of the local help them I get. I really appreciate it. The thing is really rough and you see, I appreciate all of the help them. May God bless the whole of you. You see, and bless the hand that feed us. You see, yeah, and take care of everybody. You see, yeah.
Alright, so we give thanks. So we're gonna head on the road now, guys. So let me go and call 30 grand. Yeah. Call 30 grand say me want to come as well too. 30 grand!
I'm gonna short him.
Okay. So let's check and see if 30 grand is up. Yo! Your name 30 grand? 30 grand! Where you answer for? What do you call you? You say you ready? The shibble mango tree. Guys, see this mango growing up? Like this mango is the sweetest. We call it shibble. And the reason why we call it shibble mango because it always shibble up. You know? This mango always shibble up. Always. You look at it, you know, this one not so shibble. You know, but we call it shibble mango tree because the mangoes them looking like but them say when you're old or your skin look shrivel up. So you see these one shrivel, but these are one of the sweetest mango tree them. But these days these kids not eating mangoes. You know, nowadays them people here, they're not eating mango at all. You know, because it's when you're young. I believe I used to live right here growing up as a young boy, and the mango tree just right across here. I will live in this mango tree, and trust me, there was a competition, you know, to reach this mango. There's none could ripe and stay in there, none, not even one. But these days, hey, mango just ripe and drop off. In Pitney, you're not eating nothing near mango again like that. You know, mad. We used to read this mango tree, man. If you see one ripe, trust me, you're lucky.
My viewers, my subscribers, man, yeah, man, I thought and again, man, I big up on myself every time, man. You see me, I say, yeah, man, I'm glad for the work I put in. You see me, I say, yeah, man, so respect and love every time, man. You see me, I say, man.
I thought to me, I tell them about them mango tree, Swibble. You're lucky to see anything right because when anything right,
I want the best and the sweetest mango tree in a trench town, right? You know, but nobody now eat them again because you them so grow up and get so big and everybody want KFC and burger and nobody know want the food so again.
And then you know, so then I stop a gap when I can't get.
Yeah, man, until we there as a youth, man.
What?
So we there hungry. The quickest thing this week,
quickest thing.
Up in the tree, man.
That's why I say, yo, and we even lucky if we see any ripe, because this is how them look.
Yeah, man.
So them look sweet. Them sweet. We call them shibble. You see them look shibble up.
Yeah, man, it's a kind of ingraft mango. Them ingraft like black mango, like, you know.
Yeah, look at them skin, shrivel up. You know. Oh, we always look out. And we're lucky if we come out and see that because guys, everyone target that tree here when we're younger. Mad, if 30 grand in the seat or somebody in the seat, somebody gone up in that feed. Oh yes, man.
What day somebody laugh and say if them can't make, when I say right now the tree strip down, all the way there, people on the end and I can't reach them.
Yeah.
So we have to
shibble.
Them kind of drop off.
Yeah. Shibble down. To me what the altar monitor is, what am I going to do, you know, so alright guys, so we here now and we're going to do the altar monitor test, you know, so we have a voice here which is the nurse, you know, which is going to explain to you what the altar monitor test and what it will do for him, you know, so you can just explain.
Yeah, so for the Holter monitor, it's something like an ECG. So an ECG, though, is just like a 1 minute of the heartbeat itself, and the electrical impulses. So the Holter monitor is going to be recording the electrical impulses of the heart for 24 hours. Okay. This will give us a reading to help us know what is causing the issue that he's having, or even if it's just that the heart stops a minute or two, we'll be able to tell using the Holter.
Okay. So from there you will know how to monitor it.
We'll know how to proceed with the treatment.
Okay. Oh, because you cannot get any treatment yet.
No, without having an idea what exactly he has.
And this will explain everything.
Yeah, man, this will give us an understanding of how the heart is operating. He must continue his everyday regular activity so we can see whether if his heart is under pressure whenever he's doing whatever he's doing. It records in time too, which is why it's important to bring it back in 24 hours. That's how we'll be able to tell how long or whatever is happening to him.
So you have to return it back in 24 hours. And then tomorrow he's going to be admitted into public.
Yeah.
You know, so he's going to give you a written letter for you to give to the doctor. Also for them to take it off and then give it back to you, and then you just bring it back here for them to get the readings. Like it's going to be admitted. Alright then, so Holter monitor.
Yeah. Can you make your shirt for me, please? Remove it. So make your shirt.
Was there something you're going to stick to?
Yeah, so So it's just like the ECG when you're putting on the ECG or doing the ECG test. Again, I'm not sure which one of you ever had an ECG done, but these are the leads that will place while we're growing. This is what helps us to get the reading from all the other leads. Excuse your finger. And also once I put them on, I will secure it with some tape so that it stays in place.
Yeah.
Again, it's very important it stays on for the 24 hours so we can have an idea what is happening. It really helps us out.
Okay. So you cannot go no near no water, nothing at all. So. So does that mean he have to sleep on his back?
Not necessarily, because I will secure it with tape. But for the device, it will be in a funny pack. He just can't be on the device because he don't want to damage the device.
Okay. Hear that, puppy?
So I'm not playing anything with people to say, you know, right? So, anything that costs money and can't say, they have problem. People are talking to years.
You know the ECG though, right? That's what they're recommending. To get hold of.
I'm doing already. Are you doing already?
Yes.
Okay.
Or the next one when I do like that and the one of them rub the gel upon him and thing.
Okay.
So the ECG did the echo.
Yeah.
But then they make it stay upon him for the day?
No, the Holter's the only one that stays.
Oh, okay.
No, you won't feel the total sound.
You're not going to feel anything.
Anything at all. Don't be too conscious of it. You know, it's obviously being conscious of God make you have an accurate heartbeat.
Oh. So you're not supposed to worry, you're not going to feel
No,
anything.
don't worry, no pain, nothing. We're just having on this for 24 hours. We will get what we need when we're having it on.
Family like born with this problem, right? No?
Alright, I don't know if on the family feud and them little thing there, him two sister them have the heart problem.
Oh.
You see? Yeah. And then after him come ending up with it for him with the track and field at school and I say him that make a really go test it now and them I say him not be as normal as how it could be.
Yeah.
You see? Yeah. So that's only that. But him two sister them going to hospital now what they wanted up at chest so and they are seeing the seeing
problem.
coming to the mother side it come from.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
My side now the blood pressure and them look thing you know and stuff for.
And your side of family blood pressure.
Yeah.
Both the mother and the dad have a heart problem.
Yeah. So both you and the mother.
Me have a heart problem too, you know.
Yep.
You see? Yeah. For my heart.
It's problems in his genes.
Swell little bit, you know. But them I say soon as the pressure go down, also the pressure is in, the heart will go down back and then look at thing there. So you see? But to me, come like 3 months most that come off of the mother for him. Mother and him sister really have that. I just the pressure really are my problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
So but the both of it stem from same as what the nurse say. You know,
So that's why it's worse when it comes down to him.
That's what's worse when it comes down to him.
Yeah, man. He's getting the full blowout.
So it's something that's treatable, right?
Yeah, any heart condition is treatable.
Okay.
If you don't treat it though, that's where it ends up getting worse.
Yeah.
That's gonna cost a lot more when it ever gets worse.
Yeah.
I'm going to put him under some serious pain. The heart is very important, you know.
Very. Without the heartbeat, you're not alive.
And take my pressure pill and one thing and then and two if you don't kill myself and then I put in there and so forth. Don't know why situation already. I know my family them have very high blood pressure.
The whole of them from your side?
My father have it, my mother have it, my sister, me,
So the blood pressure can travel through a family thing as well too?
Yeah, man, it's genes.
It's a gene thing, right?
Yeah. So once he has it, what's going to happen? Some persons it might be a bit more, while some it might not. But again, this is why when you go to the doctor, they ask you about medical history.
Okay. From the family.
Your family, and know what you're getting from your family.
So that now come with balancing your eating or what, right?
Yeah, eating is one. That's not the only thing. It's about balancing your entire life. You know, eating, of course, is one. If you take that in consideration, I would say to you that the greatest thing is that he is being looked at now when he's young, because the older he gets, the worse it will be.
Worse it will be.
And are you hearing from that both sides of the family have heart condition, that really mean that for him personally it's gonna get worse. So, greatest thing is that we're looking at it now, starting it out from now. So in the future you don't have him dealing with this. Hopefully. You have to also listen to what the doctor says, and if anything he prescribes, you have to ensure he's on top, getting what he should do.
Your oldest son is right? No more child, just one.
4-year-old.
Okay.
That's where that's one there. V5 is beside, V4 is beside that. V3 is the one here to the center. You have two up here, one here, AVF, AVL, AVR. And this is like, again, this is just a ground, so you won't see this on here. So 3, 2, and 1. And then I'll start the device. We will start at 2:41, so it has to be removed tomorrow at 2:41. We'll put all these information there. You can give it to the doctor. Okay, get this out of the ways. Turn everything.
So like if you sleep like late and I pull over one side or like so I guess I'm gonna ask.
You can turn it one side, you know.
You can turn it
but
one side. Yeah.
Again, you have to be careful, okay? Don't want it to tear off. You can turn it to the side if you want to sleep on this
For
side.
the monitor?
Yeah, just the monitor.
Okay.
Let me get it and help you see some of these wires.
You always sleep on your back or your belly or your side? Which one you always sleep on? Your back. Okay, so you're alright then.
sleep all over. In for them belly.
But I didn't say it now, really.
Yeah.
No, I don't mention.
That's it. So when you guys can sit back at the front, you can answer.
Attention.
I'm going to be clear about that for you guys so you can
Yeah. Alright guys, so we just do the checks and everything, so you know it's 24 hours before they can take that off. So it's gonna head to, it's gonna be admitted to public tomorrow. Also, you know, so it's after tomorrow. So Auntie Party, we thank you so much. You know, thank you for these blessings and everything. You know, so Mila.
Auntie Pauline, very thanks, you know. You make it possible. Yeah. Bring him to a doctor tomorrow and the doctor them will help him and everything. You see, and I hope everything will be alright and fine. You see, thanks Auntie Pauline.
Thanks again, Auntie Pauline. May God keep bless you. And may your food basket never run empty.
Yeah man, so we give thanks. So you know this, the altar monitor, it was $14,000. You know, so you know the father will keep the rest and just do what is necessary to help out with medical and all that same way. You know, because it was 14,000, so the dad will keep the rest. And, you know, the thing goes already. So, as I told you, look, it's raining right now. Look at the sky. Look, it starts to rain right now. I don't know, we've been getting pure rain in Jamaica here. Pure rain in Jamaica we've been getting. Yeah. I don't know, from Melissa pass through.
Yeah man, we're not stop far now.
That's that get rain at all. Sorry, so we give thanks guys, so that is out the way. You know, and the doctor down by public, they will remove the monitor and they know the dad have to come drop it off. You know, right around here. But I say it's close still because I never know it's right here. So. But as I say, I know the name, but I never pick up a wish bar. Alright guys, as you can see, it's been raining in Jamaica. Yeah, I don't know, we've been getting pure rain, boy. And then when you get the rain, you get the traffic also with it. So you get the twin and hurt, rain and traffic. You know, so there's nothing much I can do today because of the weather. You know, that's the word. That's a kryptonite for when you do videos or your vlog. You know, the rain is like a kryptonite because through the water and all of that with the camera, and then you can't even go up and down. So I guess now we have to call it a day. You know, I have to call it a day, guys. So I just drop them off as well to, you know, so at least now we get to get that done. You know, thanks to Auntie Pauline. You know, thank you so much from the Sunrise team, you know, for helping out Jamal, you know, with his health, because you know health is definitely essential to be taken care of, you know. And as you can see, the father is trying his best. You know, he's not in a position where he can always financially, you know, support himself and for the local boy, but he tried to push out as much as he can for the local one. So we give thanks for your consideration. We thank you so much for being so considerate for helping out that procedure, you know. So we hope all for the best. So he's going to keep on that monitor until literally tomorrow, you know, and then but they're going to take it off when he go to public, because he's going to be admitted tomorrow also at public, you know, for literally a day. They said, so they're going to remove it and then have to drop it back off now to the same place for them can know what's next, you know, what's the next motive from there. So bless your love, guys. Remember, please like the video. If you're watching, like the video. If you're watching for your TV and you don't know how to like it for your TV, you can ask someone in your home, you know, or if you have a smartphone, you can like it from your phone, and then you can also continue watch it from your television. So for each and everyone that been liking the videos. We thank you so much, you know, because also help the algorithm and help the program grow, you know. So blessed love, right? Blessed love. So next day. Guys, more rain. Like, we've been getting so much rain. So blessed love, guys. Welcome to another day. Sorry for complaining. You know, forgive me for complaining. Never my intention to. But we're getting more rain and rain again today. It's been raining all day. You know, it's been raining non-stop. So, boy, I don't know what kind of sign is it. There's some form of sign. We've been getting rain. So now I'm here at Ibo Spice. Wait, Ibo Spice sign gone. Ibo! I. Live? Oh, I go, I don't see the sign.
My sign?
Yeah.
Melissa and her friend and myself. I'm so glad I know one.
Melissa?
Yeah.
Someone never see it yet?
No, Melissa. The cold front after Melissa.
Yeah.
That because the sign and Melissa don't take it out. So
That's where I see it in the
me and
research.
Melissa, sure, me and Melissa go and design them. We have one in the making and what we're going to use. What call this thing?
Glass. Yeah. We get one of them smoothie there, please.
Smoothie?
Yeah. Guys, I was just about to show the Ibo Spice sign, but I just realized it's been damaged himself by the cold front. You know, so I guess the sun and the cold crystallized. You know. So damage crystallized. I was like, where's the sign? You know, so today guys I want a smoothie with some fritters and some we got ripe plantain here. We got the green place plantain and some breadfruit. So that's what I'm gonna have. It's the fritters. Jamaica say fritters and most people say fritters. So I get some fritters, ripe plantain and some breadfruit and some pressed plantain and a smoothie.
I said I'll be into that. Alright, I'm gonna post Akeynote video now with some real drop out your head and drop out your neck and pop out your eye. And make you feel like you die. This is the total cleanse, you see me?
This is
that one of them call dead and wake.
Dead and wake.
Yeah, kill you and bill you. So who want dead and wake, tell them to have it.
Yeah.
Name the duck flower.
Oh, duck flower, yeah.
Dead and wake, we call it. Kill you and bill you.
Camera, something we have to be careful look at, something
that me tell you.
Make your Senegal toilet non-stop.
Senegal toilet. Of 4 hours worth of vomiting.
And vomiting,
and the bile out of your tribe come out. A green liquid there.
Yeah.
Come to your neck. And your tribe a low level come through.
Yeah, both people that there say, Jaja.
Why am I taking 2 Sundays back?
Yeah.
Blend it out in a coconut water and so like oil.
Dead. Holy.
The whole light, if you can try it up so you good, but me not try it. Me just throw it in some jelly water and say, Sat! Shoot! Dead!
But what the amount you figure should I use?
Whole flour.
Whole flour.
Yeah, and just go dead. And wake up back.
Wake up back.
I desire. Because I tell you, not every man I get, I tell you now, so I kill you. I want that left for you though.
It's a detox.
Yeah.
Detox.
And the total detox. You cry. Your nose are run, your bottom are run, your throat are run. Anyway, liquid can leak from, so it will come through your pores, it will come out. All leakage are work, and your ears are low, I mean, sir.
There's that thing when you take that you have to stay at home.
I road don't have your purpose. What your neck will come out in a push. Let me tell you now.
So you say that?
This $3 guava flour there. And dead and wake. Yeah, I'm going to wake and dead. I want a smaller
Up
one.
on iron you.
Food dead man, but we are talking about dead and wave.
Right, remember dealing with food kind.
See Scorpion, yeah? You see, look,
Yeah.
the real object in the warrior. And there's something now, man.
Yeah, man, come here, them talk about it,
Give me
man.
everything for it.
Everything, yeah, man, you get this and this thing to man.
Well, so, no, sir. Run the man around from that.
You see some big belly guy, them guy there.
Yeah.
Who about, we have candy detox.
I eat that.
Give them there.
I eat that.
Bust your neck.
You know, a lot of people me always talk about the dog flow as well too, you know. Even yeah. But it's a thing what trust me about, you have to know, you know, how much you take. You know, they say one day, but sometimes one day probably too much for you. You know? I mean, they end up in the hospital if they can't recover. Yeah, that thing will flush you right out, man, non-stop, man. Right out. Yeah, boy, so if you want dead and wake, you have got the eyebrow spines for the dead and wake. So here I am, guys. I have 2 beetroots and an herbal aid. You know, 2 beetroot and a herbal aid. Herbal aid, trust me, it's very crunchy. It's like lemonade, but it's not lemonade. This is from, yeah, fresh up. Which one? The mango? Fresh. Onto a shell going into the Yo, I'm ready for the lightning now. I'm ready, man.
Ready again?
Yeah, man. Rain a fall, so lightning a strike right now, you know.
Last time we gave him a lightning strike, him say I'm a run.
Yeah.
Run, bro.
Kino life in Jamaica. Kino life in Jamaica.
Yeah, maestro.
What do you mean, which one of them? What the difference? What do you mean, which one of them?
This?
Yeah, you're speaking, right?
You're speaking there.
Yeah, I mean, bet you put one of them there, right?
Man, change it for me. Man, so I give him the UK
You see? Lightning! Last time this lit me for 6, you know. You know, so people know I get the finishing part of it the last time, so that's why they feel like that. So right now,
I'm good on the belly part, son. Yeah? Is that a stirring, a smoothie?
Yeah, this is me. I'm good on the belly part, man. You know, I go out good on the belly part, man. Proud of myself. You know, you're the man.
yeah, man.
I don't need that. I don't need that.
You need it, man, to burn some things. When you cook some things, when you need to be cooked, you know?
Oh, I forgot to today I choose and I go up some. Night market.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can put something there, too.
Yeah, man.
Fire.
Yeah.
Ready.
I choose the next one, the car, the big car. I take a big car, sir.
No, the next one now was on the finishing.
Yeah.
So we get everything on what's left right down there, so. So that one is fiery.
Yeah.
You know? We get all the mic the last time, but this one is quite alright.
Yeah.
And the lipstick.
Some people still can't manage it.
I made it. Yeah, man. Lightning strike, but I made it. Nothing never shake, nothing never graze me. Nah, nothing never graze me. So you want one? Yeah, give me flitters there. Eh?
Flitters?
Yeah, with some ripe plantain and some breadfruit as well.
You know me? You have here, sir? Young bud.
Young bud? Oh, me a young bud?
Isis. Ask him know my face and check it. You don't know how we get side. You don't know how we get side. You don't tell us that.
Okay. Yeah. Cooler man, Swash International.
Transformation, you know?
Oh, I want them to pass and I see the truck and I say, yo, a legendary sound this, you know?
Yeah, 12 years now.
Yeah.
14 years I'm gonna play the song still, but that's still my empire still.
Yeah. Like we continue to launch it out.
I built
some
the
breadfruit
empire,
on it.
so I'm proud of them, see me, you know.
Yeah, Jack. Is there breadfruit? That's some breadfruit, please.
Oh, breadfruit.
Yeah. Come on, big sword man squash.
So I balance the spice here, you Jenna?
Not the richest spice.
Not the richest spice, I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
Iowa spice.
Iowa spice. That means that she should try the lightning.
She should have tried the lightning. You say you sell the lightning, bless?
Yeah, man.
How you sell the lightning?
5 days a buck.
That's something we need a fireball in your house.
I'll think about it.
I can charge some coal and
Yeah.
I will think about it.
Yeah, guys, I'm just meeting a legendary actor maestro himself from Swash International.
Natural consummation, you know? I don't know what things set up as saying. Big up Kino lifestyle.
Yeah.
Jamaica. Big up yourself. Atomeister.
Energy, man. You never know so the man are full of so much energy. They look a tall man with all that energy that we look.
Yeah, worse to dash all like weight and
you know what I mean? Atomeister.
Yeah.
Yes, man. So, I got see it forward to you, yeah? See me, I got push out the music, see me for another level, see me for Kino, see me, you know, everything goes already, so. Alright, so we get all of what I've been getting on Vevo, and I'm out. I'm out of here. So, got my smoothies, my drinks, and I'm going heading into Trenchtown now to write up some donations. Alright guys, well, so you know, back here in the... Hey boy, stop your noise, you know!
Oh yeah man, I use too much up on me.
Yes guys, so back here in the trenches where you see the house and the zinc fences. So you know I'm here in Trenchtown. Yes guys, I'm say we have some donation to give out as well to the team members them. I know it's been a while I haven't been about doing anything because my princess was here. Yeah, my princess, yes guys, I cry. Of course, I cry. You know, I'm going to my car and cry. You know, because when I was walking, some people look for me, you know, I have to hold it like a soldier, like, yeah. As I reach my car, woo! You know, to release it. Trust me, I might dim that, you know. Me and I have this band. See the band with me and I have, bro, like, me and our band is different. When I was in England, me and I got everywhere in England. No matter what small she is, anywhere I am, she want to come. You know, no matter if she's crying when she's a baby, once her mom called me and give me the phone and said, Kino, talk to her. She can't even speak these times. And I said, dim, she stopped crying, you know. Yeah. Well, my little dim that man, we I say, man, no matter what time I step into the house there and she hear my voice, that wake up, you know. Yeah, just the love, you know. Just the love, man, the love. Oh, go on. Alright, so yeah, so we have some names here, some donation as well too. Wait, how old that? Where me and again, a baby care? You not care? Baby care, you not care? You care? You sure? Baby care, you not care, man. Alright, so we have some name here from Vevo, from Connecticut. You know, so we have 5 names here as well. We have Esther, Boom, Rasta, Jackson, 30 grand and Wow Chef. Different on the list there. So we have 2 lists. I have another list as well too. So 2,000 each. And this is from Mario from California. You know, so we'll deal with this one. So the one from Mario from California. What can I apply there now, man? So we have Esther, 30 grand. Yeah, Boom, Rasta Jackson, Arias, Steve, Shara, Angela, Barja, Natisha, Roshan. Alright, so we have 2,000 here. Yeah. Alright, so 30 grand. This is your 2,000. from Mario.
Mario, no respect,
From
man, and love
California.
and honor, man. You see me, I say, yeah, man, we appreciate this $2,000, man. You see me, I say, yeah, man, love.
Yeah, and we have Wow Chef. Wow Chef as well, 2,000 from Mario from California.
Mario from California. Cali, you met him California. This is the good Cali there, you know. California. California. Yeah, man, New York twice. Big up, you know. Yeah. Blessed love. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we have 2,000 as well for Boom. As well from Mario from California.
Mario from California, thanks and blessed and one love. Thanks, blessed and one love.
Yeah, I also have Arias as well to €2,000 for you.
Blessed love and impress. You come back, always be fail. You are being good safety always. Blessed love.
Yeah, so yeah, man, so we'll give thanks to Mario. You know, big up yourself with Mario from literally California.
Big up yourself in Mario from California, you know. Straight Cali, you know.
Yeah, and it's the only real team, you know. Never dies. So then so another one as well. We have 5 names on this list here, you know, which is of Esther, Boom, Rasta Jackson, and Wow Chef. So this is 3,000 from Viv, you know, from Connecticut. And she said, yo, the names them only not here yet. She said, yo, don't worry, phone will come. Right? So she said, don't worry, so Keena, tell them don't worry now, because their name will be calling next. And the next one that she's sending. Alright, so wow, so this is 3,000 here for you. From Viv from Connecticut.
Viv from Connecticut. Blessed love, you know. Enough love, you know. Holy love from 2 heart them, you know. Blessed love. Yeah, man.
Alright. And we have 30 grand as well too.
Yeah, man, and Viv, man. You see me, I say, enough love and appreciation, man. You see me, I say, yeah, man, I'm going to do the good work everywhere, man. Today I will clean up, when I left him, man. You see me, I say, yeah, man, love again.
Yeah. Boom. 3,000 from Viv.
Viv
from Connecticut.
From Connecticut. Viv from Connecticut. Blessed and one loving and thanks. Blessed, love, one love.
Alright, so Aria, she said the name that we're not here, they're on the next list, you know. So we have one for Rasta Jackson and Esther from Viv also. So we can circle Jackson as well too. I have a donation for Wow Chef. Brother as well to Miller. So we have a circle them. Let's make a walk. Come back to Father for the year and not Tisha. So today's a walking. Guys, so today now we're a walk and give us some donation. Yeah. So walk and giving us some donation today. So Esther, come pick up her mom, you know, with Shara. You know, so when they come back now, we'll give them beers as well too. You know, so no rolling through the shortcuts then in Trenchtown to go and the next street. So from one street to the next, you know, this is the walks and what you make. So going to see you wash your brother now. So see you Miller.
Yeah. Wi-Fi gone, man. I tell you something.
Oh, go on, Miller. They are going to stretch your legs, them, you know. You catch water. You look one, him good.
Yeah. We go take off the thing them today, you know.
Yeah.
But them I tell me say 1 week time before me get back the result.
Oh, so you drop it back off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we go drop it back off and everything and so on. You see, yeah. And them there, man. You see.
So it's a 1 week time you get the result?
Yeah, 1 week time.
Oh, so never bother admit him?
No.
Okay,
Yeah.
So him come back out.
Yeah.
Alright then. So it's never hard to find?
Yeah.
Never.
Yeah, we bring me go up there. The thing there and stuff will get you see. Yeah.
So never the hard to find. Yeah man, so hold on the worship. So we have a donation here. Remember, I tell you, this is the guy that him saw when they said they want towards a pump.
Yeah.
You know, so him send someone to help out the situation, you know. So this is $13,000, you know, from unknown from Canada to help to buy your water pump for you to start your car wash business, yeah?
Put it down there and forget it, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, you see. Yeah, when they're ready, yeah.
So this is $13,000 from unknown from Canada.
Unknown, give thanks, you know. You see, bless up now my elder, you see, bless the hands that feed her, you know, and thing, you see, respect for, I'm going to put it down and put towards what I have, you know, for really buy the pump and them little thing there, and so, you see, give thanks for, I really need the pump for help, do the local car wash thing there for, you see, car wash thing help out a situation, you see, and I can help take care of my youth, them and them little thing there, and so, till when we get more professional, more and I think, so you see, so I really give thanks to where I go on. You see, Jah guide and bless. You see, bless the hand that feed us.
So count it, so it's 13,000.
Yeah, man, I don't know what you say.
Yeah, man, but I will tell us the principle, you know. Yeah, so it's unknown from Canada.
Respect, you know, unknown. You see, Godfather, you see, just bless up, you know. You see, and keep it real, same way, and you see, give thanks.
Yeah,
you
man.
see, blessed. Kino, all heap of respect, you know. You see,
Yeah, man, big up. Alright, respect, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, generous. Alright, guys, so we give thanks to Unknown, you know, from Canada for blessing, you know, Miller, which is the local boy that got the heart problem, that's his dad, you know. So on a video, he was saying that him do car wash, you know, because sometimes he's the one that wash a car, but he use bucket with water. So I'm saying we don't need now something like a water pump where we can pump the water and spray on the car, which is will help him to wash more vehicles, you know. So that's the donation that comes towards the help out the situation. I will appreciate it. I will give thanks to you, Unknown. Canada. Yeah. So now I'm going to see Rasta Jackson because I think he's at home, you know, to give him a donation also. And then so we're just making some works, dropping off some donation. You know, Baja is on the road, you know, so Baja and Prefect is also on the road, so they're not going to get theirs today, you know, but definitely another day. And as I say, guys, so Baja is on the work, so we're not going to be able to do any work this week up by Cranberry till in the next week coming. You know, so stay tuned for that. We're going to see Jackson now. Jackson!
Why?
Why? Why are the coupling up? Why you coupling?
Just come in and keep a watch
Run. Yeah.
Man, they mash me up again.
Forward, me have something for you. Rasta Jackson. Them say in their coupling.
No, man, don't tell me what you talk about. Nobody says you're too here, girl. What you want to do to me, you know? What you do at a year? What you want to do to me, you know? Nobody says you're going to carry the house here, though. So come in and can't keep walking.
Yeah. He's just relaxing. He's just relaxing, guys. He's just relaxing.
What's the run down?
Alright then, so you so I have 2 donations here for you. You know, because we got some names on the list, and your name is also on the list also. You know, so on one of the lists we have Viv from Connecticut, which is $3,000 a year for you from Viv from Connecticut.
Viv from Connecticut, huh? Yeah, thanks every time, huh? Give thanks and praise. And that's the part that I put the burden and bless every time, huh? Yeah, love you every time, huh? Give thanks and praise every time, huh?
So we give thanks to Viv from Connecticut. I will also have one from Mario, also from, so it's Mario from California, you know. So it's $2,000 a year for you from Mario from California.
Yes, Mario. Love you every time, Mario. Love you every time. Much respect every time. Love you every time. Thanks every time, Mario. Yeah. Extended family. Love me every time. Yeah. You got for yourself.
Alright, so we give thanks to Viv and also and also Mario from California. We thank you so much. So now we're gonna head back that direction to give one to Natisha. We are father for the year. You know, also, so we're gonna take it on them side. you know. So stay tuned. Ah, big up, big up, big up. Guys, boy, guys. I really have something to say. I'm confused about this road work that's literally been going on from last year. You know, it was last year before election time, you know, and I don't know what's going on. One side of the road has been fixed, you know. One side have been fixed, and this side is being stalled for the longest while. I don't know what's the reason why this side of the road been stalled, but it's been stalled, it digged up and it's been stalled, as you can see. I don't know what's going on, you know, but this road work start before. When was election again? No, when was election? November was, yeah. Yeah, no, November. Okay. From November. Cool. Alright guys, so this is from before November. Says before November. Alright, go on back now. Says before November, you know, they start the tour. Yeah. Right back. So I don't know what's going on. But it's like it's definitely been stalled for the longest while. You know, it's really bad. You know, it's stalled for so long. You know, and this is a main Cali Smith drive. So it was one way down and one way up. Big up my general. And now it becomes one way down and one way up and one side of the road. You know, yo, cool, I'm a general. Yo. You know, so I don't know what's going on with this road, but they dig it up and it's still been like this for months and months now. So boy, I don't know. So if anyone watching or any bigger heads will know that what's going on, why this road is so stalled, we the people them want to know what's going on, you know, because what the problem is now when it's rain, you know, we're having the cycle of this water, you know. Water starts to cycle, as you can see, is green and mosquito literally is polluting the place more because, you know, we've been getting a lot of rain recently here, also in Jamaica, you know, and now we have a manhole that literally bursts, and this is all, you know, this is all feces water.
Yeah man, that's a feces water.
You know, so look at that. This is not what we used to know, Trenchstone now. So there's another manhole as well to right there, burst. Also, you know, so I don't understand what's going on, you know. For some reason, like, why the place is like, yeah. So it's not good at all, you know, it's not a good look to the place still literally being like this, you know. So this is what you have now, you know. So this go all the way down to Spanish Town Road, you know, and you can smell it, you know. You can literally smell it because it stinks. Just look at this, you know. It's not healthy, you know. It's not healthy, and we really want to know like what's going on. Look, start to get black and everything. It needs fixing, you know. Yeah. As I say, you have people like here on the stretch who have them like a business place and all of that, in a bar and a food shop, cook shop, but yet the road is like this, you know. So I don't know why the stall, what's going on. Yeah, twins. So guys, so as I say, one side of the road been complete, you know, because the work started before. So this side of the road over here, right, this one, go all the way up to Arnett Garden. Yeah, this one is complete, one side of it, you know, but some of the side now on that side has been damaging already because of the condition of it, right? But that one takes 6 months to complete. 6 months. But now you have this one now to deal with. You know, and this one them start on this side of the road from January. They started on this side of the road from January for the new year. Because them complete over there takes 6 months. So January they started on this side and then it's been stopped for like a couple months now, about 2 to 3 months it stopped. You know, and don't know the reason and don't know at all. So remember you have kids in the community and a lot of stuff. So the mosquitoes them and everything when you see, you know, and all this water, it's not healthy. And this go all the way down to the main road, which is Springstone Road. So Cali Smith drives one way up and one way down. So alright, we don't know what going, you know, but it needs to be, you know, addressed. You know, it needs to be better than how it is right now. You know, it's not a good look. You know, it's the community is already on a place that is down and people trying to uplift, you know. But this now, the state of this many community people look more down, you know. Like, look at this. It's a joke thing, brother. It's literally a joke thing. Like, come on, they need to do better. I don't know what go on, but things need to go on, you know. Men they're enjoying. So this is what we are talking about a long time about rising the wall.
Yeah, man.
You know, because you see the wall raise.
Yeah, for real, man.
I have some barbed wire, but the thing is they want the whole church from all the way down to go all the way for the top. They want to rise it and put some barbed wire. So you know, so nobody you have to walk around on the street. You know, no one can jump.
Come like this, yeah.
You have to go up on wire, barbed wire and everything, man. The whole of the wall they want to rise just like that one there. It's a good look. That one here? Original tenement here, them, you know. Says, yes, guys, as you can see, you know, like, yeah. So guys, so what they're trying to do, as you can see, the wall them is rise. As you can see, the halfway, that's where the wall is stop. You know, so them black it up more now. So, you know, to try to kind of limit the violence in the area whenever it occurs. You know, so no one can literally jump the walls to come over. So the higher the wall is, you know, the less a man can think about jumping the wall to come over the next side to do anything. You know, so them trying to raise all the walls them here. So if any problem, them have to walk all the way around, you know, and can't, yeah, they walk all the way around just to come on the street to do whatever they want to do, which is a bit of more risk for anyone to say they're gonna walk all the way around on the street, you know. So that's a good idea, you know. Good idea. Like the look. Like the look. Raise all the walls them Jackson, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So when the wall them raise like that, you know, a man have to think twice if they want to start the violence because you cannot. Yeah, you cannot jump no wall like that, guys. It's so high. You know, so imagine you say you do this and you want to jump wall so high and have to go jump back wall now to escape. Look, Natish! So guys, Natish! Natisha! So guys, as you can see, Natisha window. Now look it out, it's gunshot.
Gunshot fly.
Yeah. So guys, so this window now, it has been licked out by a bullet, you know. Licked out Natisha window by a bullet. Just imagine that, you know. So this is what we're talking about. Understand? So some strip, but it never went. I don't know if it went in or where it went, you know. But look at that. You know, well, this window is alright. So guys, so this is the house that we built as well too. You know, but I don't know how the gunshot reach right that direction. Natish! Where am I go? Come in, Natish. Want to be your place. So.
Leave me now, when you put down clothes, man. I have clothes.
Natish.
Yeah.
So the bullet never go inside the house? Yeah. Inside the house it go?
Alright, I made it the drop.
Oh, you drop on your head? Yeah. Sure.
I remember put my head up there, don't get it dead.
Oh. So it drop on the bed, it never fly?
Drop. Right, that's it. Round this way.
Oh, so it never leak nowhere else still, just drop there?
No, it just the iron it bend up and shoot this so board up, you're not going to see
Oh.
it. Lick on the grill, so like on the grill stop it.
Stop it. Yeah. So guys, so the grill it lick man.
And the glass. Say no man. And jump up so. And the splinter them wake me up, you know, really, you know.
Yeah.
And through them drop on me. I know it's a shot of fire.
Yeah.
So I not really
Pay it.
Yeah, pay it no mind.
So
when the splinter them splash out by the bedroom, just run go so.
Yeah. See that girl, that mean say boy. The unnecessary thing need to stop it, not make no sense, cause innocent people this I get hurt. You know?
Just like mash up, all of this.
Alright.
One of them. Must see this, some half this.
The lip man?
Yeah.
It look like a lip man.
That means that this lip.
And go in.
Yeah. And this is the iron grill, stop it, the grill never did it.
No, see the height here still where it go?
Yeah, but I say, say chinks off on the grill.
Also.
So the grill helps slow it down, I must eat that part there so.
Oh, now look at that.
Yeah, so the grill helps slow it down. How they say that come from?
Yeah, the direction, right? It's coming from that direction.
I just stand up there and just send it up.
So, I also know where they want fire for. Eh?
There's a night when my dead dog so.
So the bullet is coming from that direction, you know, so basically the fire but shut the fire all about.
Where run go?
Boom!
Yeah,
that man.
Where run go?
Yeah. Alright, Natish. Yeah. A donation here for you as well too. From Mario from California. So your name is also on the list as well too. $2,000 here for you from Mario from California.
Mario from California. Thanks a lot. May the good Lord guide and keep and protect you. Your food basket never empty. Blessed and blessed love. Love alone.
Alright, so we give thanks from Mario from California. So we get Natish on the name of the list. She's out of the way. Alright, so I'm going to circle farther for the ear now.
She don't like something there for the head. Them there. She don't like them there.
Can give up a criminal look. And she tired of the criminals.
I want to take a book here.
Alright, Natish, later.
Yeah.
Baby mama, you don't know eat all the whole of the baby chicken. Grandmother.
Remember me and mother.
Yes.
She come and she tell her go.
Bye bye. Alright, come in. Alright, come through. Natish, later. Further for the ear. I look up at the eye and I steer. Move. I look up at the eye and I steer. Ah, bless it. Let's say I go and meditate. Yes, sir. Man of my general. Yeah, passing through, you know, drop off a donation for you. Shan it, you know. Oh, Shawnette, you okay? Shawnette! Father for the ear. Go and look up in the ear, go and meditate and stare.
Yeah.
Give thanks to the life. Hello!
We don't want me to walk. You have to nobody to talk again. I'm here by myself.
I know, I miss you too. I know.
More silent, but you can't tell the way. You see?
I'm here now, right?
Yeah, man. You're not vocal with them.
Yeah, man. So I brought a donation for you guys.
Yeah.
So my daughter was here. That's what took me so long.
See you, man. I'll take you in, man.
Yeah, you know. My big daughter.
Yes.
Yes, man.
You see us here when airport and we see.
A lot of people never believe so I have big son, you know? Yeah. Even though I tell people, them say like, a lie, I'll tell man. You know, what?
You know?
You're not supposed to tell lying kids. I'm like, no man, my daughter, man, big, you know, big youth. Big, so.
I share some of people my youth, the man say, no, smell big, but take some of them.
Yeah.
Same thing, you know?
Big one, you know? Start early. Them say you start early in life.
Yeah, you start early. I don't get no time to enjoy my youth days.
Yeah.
You understand me?
You have to work to look after youth.
I mean, my end school early, just to look after youth.
Yeah.
And give thanks for succeed, so.
Of course. Yeah, we'll give thanks. And she's doing well, that's the big daughter though. Yeah, she's doing well. That's the one.
I see him with Shawnette of the
IQ like her, yeah. That's where it's a fall from, you know?
So I'm not let me know some boy. Anything is choose in life, yeah.
Because Shawnette the last one, where you say don't know.
Don't really complete.
No more youth. Shawnette is the last. So she's a wash belly.
Yeah.
And then, so she fall off for the first one. Yes, that's good. So alright, so I have a donation here for you from Jamaican Grandpa from New York. You know, to help out. Yeah man. $10,000 a year. Come see you meditate a while ago, I know you like you wonder, Father God, what's next? You know, what got me right now.
Yeah, you see.
Need something to come in, you know?
You see different. I really I meditate because things are right, isn't it? Things are right, so I just give thanks to see your return.
Yeah. I say, just imagine that, like.
Father bless him and show us a boy. In there in the place, the years that come from Grandpa.
Yeah, exactly. So, just imagine a thing like that. Father for the year, sit down yourself and I meditate and look out in the ear. You know, and remember, you know, this is not something where I'm going to work to get, you know, this from unknown source. Just pop up just like that. You know? So that's to show you say what we can do when time we stay on the right path, you know? Think positively, you know, and just hope for the best. You know, so let go to the people and good things will happen. You know? You have to have good in your heart. You know? Yes man, so that's what the blessings always come, because whenever I'm coming, it's not like say I call him and say yeah, I'm coming. But just turn up unexpectedly and say, Father for the year. I know once I hear the voice, something is here. You know, I will give thanks, you know, for the blessing that's sent to this family and each and every one that you guys donated to, you know, because trust me, it's really a blessing. You know, so Father for the year, so here we have $10,000 for you. From Jamaican Grandpa, from New York. Jamaican Grandpa.
Jamaican Grandpa, man, I don't respect you. Boy, give thanks for your because as a man, my killer said, you can take me out of space. You see it? Meditate for the next thing I got tomorrow. You see it? I'm kind of bad, you see it right now. So, as I tell you, give thanks for your Jamaican Grandpa. You see it? Yeah. I'm a big up and I respect you for what you're doing right now. A big thing you're looking right now. You see it? Can carry me even a couple more days.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, I live with it. I
live with you, man.
And peace and love to you. One love. You see, that's about man, this is still. You see?
Yes, sir.
Same to you, my general. You see me?
One love. Shawnette, you want to thank Jamaican Grandpa for blessing your daddy.
Thank you, Jamaican Grandpa. for your love and courage you have given to us. So we have fallen again, but you have helped us once again. And I myself hope that you will live a happy life with your love and courage you have given to us once again.
Thank you. Rashana, you really are growing up. Yeah. How was the thing happened there? She done the operation the other day?
No, then put it off for next month.
Or then put it off to
next month to go in with us.
Okay, next month. Okay then. Yes man. See, Father God, I'm saying stay positive, see me.
Yeah, I see him.
Keep working for the best.
Then stay true to everything right now. If you not stay true to nothing right now, you don't stand for nothing, is it?
Yes, and it come at the right time.
Yeah.
Right time. Alright then, so big up yourself, man. Yeah?
When we have
Jamaican
grandpa, big up yourself, you know. All me I tell you, saying about Marley had me there, and same thing, one love, yeah?
Yeah,
peace and love to you, same man.
Every time, one love.
Yeah. May God have a soul same way. I know so boy, you look good same way for me same way, you did?
Yes, sir.
I respect you right now, you did? The man you come see him, she knows that space. And I'm kind of first out from Monday. You didn't some of your child body.
Yeah.
I wonder where because you didn't just done for me and all that thing. You didn't have to wonder how me about money, because I don't want to go back to the home.
Yeah.
I'm going to go on some other to come on at night and tomorrow morning. Yeah, so give thanks for your look, mister. Yeah? Manners and respect. From your heart, not tell you that, yeah?
Yes.
Respect me, general.
Shanette, see you later. Bye. Alright guys, let me say you guys also are blessings to this program. You know, Father Philip, big up. Because the way how it happens, you know, when I came in the yard, he was literally looking up in the tree. He was days out. You know, as he tell us, he might wonder we might get something right now because it's been low and fun from Monday. No gas to cook, nothing at all. You know, and just like that, you know, the blessing that's sent from Jamaican grandpa, you know, could have helped him bright in there when he can say yes, he can buy some gas now, he can finally get something to cook and he can stretch it for the week, you know. So trust me, it's really our blessings, you know. We're doing the almighty work, you know, showing compassion and love to each other. You know, while we're here on the universe, you know, why not, you know, show us some love and compassion. It is the way forward, you know, it is the way forward. So let's go see if Esther is back and Shara to give them their donation. I even think they will conclude the night, you know, so let's send them for the across the street. Alright, so guys, so I'm here with the three females there. We have Jenna, we have Shara, we have Esther. You know, because I walk the stretch and come back. So we have 2,000 each from Mario from California, you know, for the ladies them right here. So Esther, there's 2,000 from
just
Mario.
Just give me Jella one, Jella they told me.
Yeah. So it's Mario from California.
Thanks Mario from California, really appreciate it.
Jella, where you say give her yours?
Yeah, sure, we'll give it fair.
So here's your 2,000 from Mario.
Mario from California, thank you very much. Mario food basket never empty. Thank you.
Alright. And Shara, it's 2,000 from Mario from California.
Thank you Mario from California. May the blessing of the Lord be with you.
Alright, so we have one for Prefect and Baja. You know, that's what left. Prefect and Baja. So let me see. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So that's everybody. Prefect and Baja. You take that one as well, Esther. Who?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, like him free.
Sorry, then. So Esther, so another one here from Viv. $3,000 Viv from Connecticut. 3,000 from Viv from Connecticut.
Thank you, Vevo from Connecticut. Really appreciate it.
Alright, so that is the runnings, you know, for today, guys. So that is the runnings for today, you know. So yeah. So give thanks to to Mario, you know, from California. You know, so we have 2 more names left on the list, which is Prefect and Baja, which is those man are both on the road. You know, and the donation from Viv You know, thank you so much from Connecticut, you know, for Esther Boone, Rasta Jackson, Totti Gran, and the Wow Chef. You know, so thank you for that. You know, so blessed love, guys, blessed love to all, and we thank you guys for the love and the support, you know, on this journey. We never stop and will never stop, you know, to when the Almighty Akeynote, full stop. But until then, we press on, we move on, we carry on. Dream team, one team, you know, it's the only real team. Peace.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.